Hello everybody, today we make ricotta spinach gnocchi. We start the spinach that I gotta cook on my stove. Let's put my gas on. I want to pour a little oil and to give a good taste for the spinach with the garlic. I split the garlic in half. You see the garlic is starting to jump a little bit. After it's the time of the spinach. But look how many spinach I got over here. One time it's a cook, it come out not too many. I was wash and drain really good. Make sure to take all the water out for the spinach. All right. I give a little turn. But the spinach right away. It cooked the spinach. This is baby spinach. Now this will leave it cook for a couple of minutes. Okay, now this it's almost done. What I gotta do, I want to put a little salt, not too much salt. That's enough. And we make a nice little turn more. You gotta cook a little bit more. We take the garlic out. 1 and 2. Okay, and the spinach, it's ready. Now, what I gotta do, I want to put it right over here. And I want to put inside. The squeeze that take all the water out. After that, you gotta cool off. You see the water come out? Yeah, I want to squeeze it good. So you do the gnocchi, make sure the spinach you squeeze it good. After that, cool off. After you gotta chop really, really thin. What I do, I put right on this dish over here. And I make it flat. Like that. And we put this on the side now. Okay, gotta cool off. Okay, the spinach it's a cool off. And now I put on this board, I want to chop really thin. And I put it right over here like this. And let's chop. Okay, now the spinach it's chopped really good, and now we put it right on this bowl over here, like this. Okay, now we do the mix with the gnocchi. I got over here already the spinach, and I got the ricotta. I gotta put a little salt, not too much. I got 1 egg. I mix first the egg, spinach, and the ricotta. After we got the flour, and we start with the flour, 2 cups of flour. But when you do the gnocchi, make sure, because you don't need all 2 cups, no use. If you need a little bit more, you can get a little bit more. But I want to mix this good first. Okay. Now this is to mix the spinach and the ricotta and the egg. And now we start with the flour. And the flour, what I do, I put a little bit at a time, and we mix. After I mix this with the flour, after I want to finish my mix, on top of the board over here, I want to mix really, really good. Okay, still it's a little soft. And we put a little bit more flour. Good. It looks really good. Okay, now what I want to do, I put a little flour on my board over here. Okay, I put my mix, everything, on the table over here, on my board. Okay, now we gotta start mix everything to make a nice ball by hand. Okay, we start like this. So still it's soft. And what you do, you put flour. So we got the flour over there. You got 2 cups all together. And we mix nice. Okay, now it's almost ready. What I need a little flour, the finish little bit. Still I got a leftover flour. Yeah, I want to roll this and I gotta make everything on one ball, like that. And let me scrape this good, and now we gotta start making the gnocchi. Inside, this over here. It's a nice ball. Okay, now what you gotta do, you put this on the side over here, and after I got this ricotta piece like that, you put a little flour, not too much, and you gotta roll this. And one time you roll, and make sure this, the dough together with the kids. The kids will be home, and like this you keep the kids busy. Roll the gnocchi. And you make it nice, like that. After you start to cut the gnocchi, and we start from over here, like this. And we put a little flour over here, like this. A little flour on the gnocchi. And after you start, do the gnocchi. Look. And this, we do all the pasta I got over here, the same thing what I do now. Okay, the gnocchi's done. The only thing what you gotta do, you gotta boil hot water, little salt, and when the gnocchi come up in the pots and the water, you leave it stay 1 more minute. One time it coming up, You take it out and you do the way you like. You like with the sauce or the butter, with the cream and the sage, everything you like, you can make the gnocchi. Okay, I want to say to everybody, I want somebody to make it and show it to me the way everybody make it, it's really come out good. And I want to say to everybody, thank you very much, and we see next recipe. Thank you.